Alright guys, I'm back. So I was able to remove the motor, as you can see here, without breaking anything. And to prove that, I'll show you the other motor, so you guys can see that they're both perfectly healthy. I didn't have to cut any wires. But I did have to do a lot of work in here because, as you can see here, let me see if I can zoom in so you guys can see a little bit better. Alright, so I had to move this out of the way to let the cable go through, but I also had to cut a bunch of stuff in there. And what I used to do that is this cool little tool here. Very useful for 3D printing projects, but also for all these kinds of projects here because it's nice and sharp. You can get in there and cut bits out. And also the other thing that's important to note is that this will not come out like this. You have to put it in this way. So what I did is I cut more of this side over here, and eventually I was able to put it in this at this angle, and then slight, you know how this thing has an extra bit? You have to kind of wiggle it around and then slide it right through there. So I hope you guys were able to see that. So hold it like this and then gently sort of turn it and then slide it through this part here so it comes out of there and you're good to go. But yeah, I did have to do quite a bit of work in there to cut off bits of plastic and some foam in order to make more space because it's really, really a snug fit. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one where I start putting things back together. And let's see if we can finally put these two props up here and turn this into more of that other kind of vehicle that I explained in the previous video. Anyway, let's do that.